Getting approved for a Cpabuild account is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open the Cpabuild in Google Chrome. A window will open with many pages. Here we have to click on the registration page. Registration will open. So, fill out all the blanks to get approved for Cpabuild. First, enter your first name and last name. Here I have selected my Gmail, so my name is automatically filled. Fill out the username blank. Next, enter your password and repeat the password. Make sure to create unique password and never share this password with anyone. Next, you have to select your country to fill in this option. Then enter your street address, state, city, and postal code. After this, if you have Skype ID, then enter here. I have no ID, so you can see. Cpabuild asks you to from where you have heard about them, so tell them. Next, fill the current network blank. Go ahead, and if you have any website, type the link here, otherwise leave it blank. After completing this, move forward and give some lines about your traffic resources. Click on I'm not a robot. Tick all the options about your information given above. Click on register. After a few days, you will receive a confirmation message. In this way, we can get approved for Cpabuild account.